Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tokyo Foodie Sarah. So I'm moving out of this house tomorrow and I need to pack in the afternoon today. I mean, it's already like 3 p.m. I was meant to pack yesterday and today, but then yesterday I went shopping with my parents and I just decided to spontaneously stay out there for the night. So I came back this morning and I've been doing a bit of packing, but I still have quite a bit to do. So yeah, I'm a bit worried. I'm moving out in the morning tomorrow. Let's do this. So I already have some stuff packed. I have that's not done. So 5 boxes, and that's the pressure cooker. These are going to be the things I need for tomorrow. I'll just be bringing with them. These are like electronics and stuff, and the clothes I'm wearing for tomorrow. And yeah, apart from that, I need to pack it into the card box. Says, woohoo! Let's do this. I need that to pay my moving fee. Moving fee. I need that to pay for my moving fees. And then for protection, I'm gonna be stuffing some of my activewear inside. I've realized that I was using the wrong box. I was trying to use the box for my fan, so I'm gonna rebuild the box for the TV, which was hiding inside my closet for 2 years. Oh, I need to leave some to go to the gym. Yes. So I packed the other dumbbell, but I realized that I still had this one left, so I need to, I was gonna say I need to disassemble this and separate this because it's only 5 kilos, but yeah, I don't want to put this in just one box. Okay, what next? Okay, that's done. Next box. Ooh. び合って光がまだ胸の奥に熱いのに僕たちは燃え盛る旅の途中で出会い手を取りそして離した未来のために夢が一つ叶うたび僕は君を思えたら強くなりたいと願い泣いた決意を花向けに懐かしい思いにとらわれたり残酷な世界に泣き叫んで大人になるほど増えてゆくもう何一つだって失いたくない悲しみに飲まれ落ちてしまえば痛みを感じなくなるけれど君の言葉君の願い僕は守りの上を誓ったんだ崩れ落ちてゆく一つだけのかけがえのない世界多分私じゃなくていいね余裕のない二人だったし気づけば喧嘩ばかりしてさごめんね誰と話そうと思ってたきっと私たち合わないね二人きりしかいない部屋でさあなたばかり話していたよねもしいつかどこかで会えたら今日のこと笑ってくれるかな理由もちゃんと話せないけれどあなたが眠った後に泣くのは嫌声も顔も不器用なとこも全部嫌いじゃないの Oh no, I forgot to put the dumbbell inside. 君との日々もきっと色あせる I've been packing and resting and packing and resting for the past few hours and it's already dark outside and I do have quite a few cardboards piled up but I still have a bit more to put in like my toiletry stuff and also like some food and kitchen utensils and stuff like that but I'm quite tired so I guess I'm just gonna have a shower now probably do the rest later and a bit tomorrow morning. Yay! I'm so tired. Good morning guys, it is the morning after. It's around 7 a.m. I set an alarm and I was packing until like 1 a.m. past 1 a.m. last night. I still had quite a lot to do, but I've got quite a bit done. So I currently have, I think, 20 boxes, and I might end up with 21 boxes. Yeah, I have a lot more stuff than I thought. That's my plants, that's my random things. Yeah, so I'm gonna pack for a bit more. I don't have that much left, and hopefully I'm gonna be cleaning the aircon filters whilst I have my stool. Hopefully I'll finish packing in like an hour and then clean the aircon filter for an hour and do some more cleaning, or yeah, whatever. I'm so tired. The staff contacted me and they said that they will get here soon. So in my next clip, I will see you in the new room. Oh, welcome to my new room. So the staff managed to put everything in my room, including the bed. So the bed had to be disassembled because it was just so wobbly. Yeah, people don't like, apparently the moving staff really don't like IKEA furnitures because they're really unstable. So yeah, they had a look at my bed and they were like, nah, we're not taking this out of the door. So yeah, they've managed to disassemble it and assemble it again, and it's all right. It's not broken, it's here. Yay! Yeah, this room is a lot bigger. At first, when they told me that everything's been put in, and I was like, really? Because it feels so, not empty, but like it doesn't feel as full. And I was like, okay, wow, yeah, I do have everything. So I am in my new room now. I'm probably gonna have to unpack everything, and I don't know if the bed is gonna be there. I need to like think about the locations for each furniture. Now, before I get into unpacking, I'm gonna show you the things I got from Nitori. I got new curtains. It's white, but it's got like a bit of embossing. It's pretty cute, very heavy. So that's my new curtain. And I got a new lamp. Yay! The lamp in my old place was already there, so I had to like give it back. This new place doesn't have any lighting, so I had to get this. I got a white one with a bit of like a warm tone light bulbs, 3 light bulbs. So I'm gonna put this on and I'm gonna have the curtains up. Yes! Ta-da! Some dramatic effect here. Oh my god! Okay, second one. They're quite creased, so I'd probably have to iron it, and they smell like bleach, so I'm probably gonna have to Febreze it as well. But yeah, I like it. It's nice. Now I'm gonna have to put up the light. I feel like the cord is a bit too long, so I'm gonna see what it's like. Yeah, that's way too long. It's gonna be like there. I'm gonna make it like half the length, I guess. Ooh! Okay, I don't want to lose that. I'm gonna put that in my pocket. And then, ooh, okay, how do I... Cord adjuster. I'm guessing it's this thing here. Ooh, oh, okay. So half the length. Yep. Now what? Oh no. Yes, that's good. Ooh. Okay, it says that you need 2 people to set this up, but oh well, I'm gonna try my best. I hope I don't fall off from the stool. Oh! Whoa! That is so pretty! Oh my god! Oh! Woo! Alright guys, so I'm now gonna be building this mini trolley that I got from IKEA! I hope it works out well. Oh, it looks complicated. So okay, number one, apparently I need to get these and these together. Ah, yes. This one's more wobbly than the first one. The screws aren't going in well. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna get the electronic drill. Should have done that in the first place. There's a way to set this and I forgot how. Aha. It's opening, so I can set that and close it. Aha. There we go. There we go. So let me take that out. It's still wobbly. Why? Oh, yay! There we go. I'm gonna tighten this just in case it's not tight enough. Okay, that's looking good. Yay! Finally! Okay. Oh, I'm hot. What's that? I need to put that together. Oh. Huh? Oh. Yes, that was good. And then I need to set it like so, apparently. And then I'm gonna set the two that I made earlier. Which way is it?
I think it's this way. Oh no. Oh. Yep. Yep. And drill it in.
I'm getting better at this. If you guys have any tips regarding building IKEA furniture or any sort of furniture, do let me know, because as you can see, I'm not good at it and I want to get good at it because I have to build a table later. I think that's good enough. Oof. And then I need to set the actual drawers. Ooh. Oh, what? Okay, how am I meant to balance that in the air? No! No! How do I do this? Is it even the right screw? Am I doing this right? What? I'm sorry guys, I had to turn the fan on, it was way too hot. I don't think it's right. The screw is definitely not long enough. Oh, okay, I get it now. These were wrong. So you see, I built it like this, but apparently it was meant to be like that. So that these ones are like on the opposite sides. Okay, that makes sense. Oof! Oh, this one's right. It's just this one that wasn't right. Okay, now, then I need to screw that together. Where's the screw? There we go. Now, let's do this again, but this time, hopefully it works out. Okay, so long screw with this thing. It still doesn't reach. Oh, maybe it does. Oh, okay. Let's do this. Aha! Oh my god. I might have been using the wrong one. Oh, why did I make it so complicated? So I think I had to use this one at the bottom, which is slightly bigger. Okay, that looks right. Oh, for the middle part you can choose where the drawer goes. Oh, you can't. It gets stuck at the screw, okay. Is that meant to be? Oh, wait. No, yes, there we go. Oh, I don't know. I think I should make it even, because otherwise it's gonna look unnatural, right? Yeah, that looks okay. Yay! So now that that's done, I'm gonna make sure that all the screws are tight. Yes! Oh, that's nice and easy. Last piece. Yay! It's done! Guys, it's done! Oh my god! Whoa! And I built it. Yay! Oh, that's cute. So I'm now gonna have to build the table. I'm probably gonna take a break and do it later or maybe tomorrow even. Okay, so today I'm gonna be building the table. So I have a board and 4 legs, and they don't give me an instruction. The only thing that they tell me is to protect the floor things. I'm gonna do that, but I have no idea how to build this. Towel and my nails. Oh, is that the instruction, guys? No. What the hell? Oh, maybe. Woo! We have instructions. So it says that I need to put these on the board first, and then I'm gonna attach this at the end. Let's hope I don't mess this up. Oh my god. Where did it go? Where's it gone? Oh, it was on my bed. Okay, let's do this. And it says that I need to make sure that the nails don't go through the board and just stays within the board. So I need to be careful not to do that. Is that even possible? Oh, that's not possible. Okay, the nail is a lot shorter than the board. That's good. So I'm gonna use this electronic drill again. So 5 nails there. What the heck? Feels like the nail is a lot thicker than the hole. Oh, it went through. Okay, kind of. Now, onto assembling the legs. So apparently I just need to screw this inside, and you can change the length here, but I like it lower, so I'm just gonna keep it as is. Let's see if that goes in. Ooh. Oh, that was easy. My wrist is really sore from the electronic drill, by the way. It was quite tough. Let me flip it, and I might want to take this sticker off if I can. Or should I just leave it? Okay, I'm gonna flip it. How? This is the moment I've been working out for. Oh no, my arm isn't long enough! No! Ow, ow. Yay! Here it is! So that's what it's gonna look like. Please ignore the messy part over there. It's a bit bigger than I thought, but it's really nice. I think it's gonna be good to edit my videos here. Yay! I also have this bigger trolley that I got from a colleague when I was living in Nagoya, and I want my room to be kind of like light, but this trolley is black, so I'm gonna use this remake sheet, it says, that I got from a 100 yen store. It's like a wooden looking sticker that I can put on, and I'm gonna make this bit white. Yeah, because I feel like I wanted to paint the whole thing white, but if I paint the whole thing white, that's gonna be a bit too difficult, and I don't have skills for that, so I thought I'd just make the top bit white. Yeah. On the back of the stickers, they have these like squares for you to guide like where you should cut the sheet and stuff. So for me, I guess it's gonna be like somewhere there. Yeah, I'm gonna mark it and like use a ruler and cut it. I've done the two sides here and there, and now I've traced the corners because they're round, and so I'm gonna cut these and stick them. Ta-da! That is the end result. It looks really natural and nice. It's a bit creased here, but I don't think anyone's gonna see in that much detail, so I think it's gonna be fine. But yeah, I like it. Today I am in my old house to clean this room, and oh my god, it sounds really echoey in here without all the furnitures. Yeah, it feels weird. It doesn't feel like home anymore because everything's like out. Yeah, and it's very dusty, so especially like under the bed, I'm not gonna show you, but it's pretty dusty and disgusting, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna clean that. But before it gets all dusty and really bad, I'm gonna have some lunch because it's almost lunchtime, and I got myself some negitoro, leek, and tuna. Yeah, I got this from a nearby convenience store, supermarket. I knew I wanted to get those sushi, but I knew that it's not going to be enough protein and not enough veg, so from my new house I brought a block of chicken breast and a cucumber and a tomato, so I'm just gonna have that and hopefully clean this room. Yeah, it's gonna be quite a tough work, I think.